In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a Wise debit card with an easy step-by-step guide. Whether you're a frequent traveler or someone looking to streamline your finances, the Wise card can be a fantastic tool for managing multiple currencies effortlessly. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set up to order your very own Wise debit card. First and foremost, you need to ensure that you've signed up for a Wise multi-currency account and completed the verification process. This is a crucial step because without a verified account, you won't be able to proceed with ordering a card. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to go through the sign-up process and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Verification helps to secure your account and provides access to a world of currency management with ease. Once your account is verified, the next key step is to top up any balance. Adding funds to your account not only activates your account but also ensures you can smoothly transition into using the Wise services. Consider this top up as the ignition key to your Wise financial journey. It's quick and easy, so go ahead and make sure there's some balance to get you started. With your account verified and balance topped up, open the Wise app or website and head over to the card tab. This section facilitates the ordering process and offers an intuitive interface for you to choose between the available card options. On the card tab, you'll encounter two choices, the digital card and the physical card. The digital card is free and ready instantly for immediate use. It's perfect for online transactions and mobile wallet payments. On the other hand, if you prefer a tangible card in your wallet, you can opt for the physical card. There is a one-time fee involved, approximately P370, £7 and sons, or US $9, depending on your currency. After you've decided which card best suits your needs, the next step is to enter your address details accurately. This is particularly important if you're opting for the physical card to ensure it reaches you without any issues. Once you've filled in your address, pay the associated fee for the physical card. Now, if you've opted for the physical card, it's just a matter of waiting. The card will typically arrive in about 5 to 21 business days, varying by your location. Meanwhile, if you've chosen the digital card, you're in luck. It's ready to use instantaneously, allowing you to make online purchases and add it to your mobile wallets for convenience. There you have it. You've successfully ordered your Wise debit card. Whether you chose the digital or physical option, you're now equipped to manage multiple currencies efficiently and with ease. Happy spending!